Come here, chicken. Oh,
Chicken looks more like
it's rare you see a large
pork
chicken
chop.
nugget like this out in the sun. Shirts available at basementfarm.com. Let's see what they said.
This is my t-shirt plug.
Turn around.
Yeah, we got to see this new
Precision Turbo. Want to do a burnout? I like it. I would like to do a burnout.
You like Liam's little arm?
Yeah.
Is that Liam's little arm? Oh,
That kind of all stemmed from the BMW 360 thing. There.
oh yeah.
That's kind of where it's like, yeah. We got something, and it
Okay.
seems a little weird. So let me just say, hey, so
Oh boy.
someone approached us and said, hey, we think you should have this, and we want you to kind of pay it forward. We want to see this thing live on with somebody else, and we want to, you know, basically do a favor for somebody. And maybe you can take this thing and go and run with it. And it's kind of something that's right up your wheelhouse.
All right.
All right, so
Is it a Lambo?
don't be mad.
Don't be mad.
Don't be mad, bro.
What are you mad about? All right, let's see what you got. I'm gonna be pissed.
It's a vintage Maserati.
Oh! Why would I be mad about this? I was born in a Crown Vic. Dang. Are you gonna build it? You gotta build it.
Whoa, it's already like on this side.
Did it move in the trailer?
It moved in the trailer.
Ooh, it's a bad girl.
Wow. Got yourself another Crown Vic in the shop. Oh, dang.
Oh, there's some hornets in here. Holy crap, dude. Pterodactyl, that one's red.
Dude, those
oh,
are
they're
big.
red.
Look
I'm
at
getting
it.
out of here. Why being such a win? Polly scared
There
me.
actually is quite a few of them in there. Were they in the car?
Oh, you must have came out of the car.
Ah! Holy crap, why are they that color?
I got this.
No! Don't do that to her!
If I did that, I swelled up
Go,
for
Holly,
like
go.
2 months.
Woo!
That looks like blue. So it's got
might
a
be.
pretty good sound.
What is this? An oil pressure gauge. I like to stop. Is that a tack? Aftermarket tack?
Heck yeah.
What car?
You're going to like the exhaust. Here, crank it up for a second.
Wait, what year is this?
03.
Dang, it's a good year.
Dude, it's got the aluminum frame deal, like for, so it's like a Marauder.
Woohoo!
It's got pretty good sized cams, it's got dumps, it's got a forged motor.
Got a forged motor in it?
It smells like it's got race gas, but it's like, I think it's just old fuel.
She's bad.
I like that shifter in there, man.
Yeah, dude. Mine's on the column.
Yeah, they said that like
That's
something.
why I was like, what year is this when I saw it down there? Oh, this isn't a police interceptor. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It was definitely pretty sharp as far as like the
Yeah.
interior and all that. It's pretty plush for.
Bad. Can I pull it out? Is it strapped?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me get the strap out. Yeah, pretty good sound.
I bet I can link the
Get
whole
it.
drip track in and add it to
I would love to see that.
no doubt in my mind.
He likes to.
Just up the street. We'll be right back. We're just getting ice cream. Vanilla kind.
We're just getting ice cream. Poor Liam.
Oh, throttle's touchy. Feels like it's stock converter and it's rumbling.
Probably
right at my
is.
feet.
So it's got 410s in it, which that sounded a little bit. That sounded a little bit rowdy for trying to throw a boost to
Oh,
it.
there's a dog. Oh, it's a cat. Sorry, cat. There's a cat. Let's see here.
It shifted pretty hard the other.
Okay. So it's forged motor, but it's big.
It's got lower compression and all that. I think it's like 9-to-1, and I mean, as he said, it's just ready for boost. He said the tune was just kind of
Oh, ready for boost.
ready for boost.
I like the sounds of that.
Like traction control or something?
Yeah, I don't know.
Do these have traction control?
It might because it's, I
That
know the
feels
police
like traction
interceptor
control.
ones don't. Oh, look in here.
Nothing in there.
Maybe where that aftermarket radio is.
That be the booster pump.
Oh, it's got a booster pump.
It's got a
aftermarket
aftermarket.
booster pump. Woo! All right, well, I don't want to break it.
What's the on-off? Is that for the oil pressure?
feels harder than a stock Crown Vic.
Yeah. Oh, it's got Patriot heads. It's got a bigger cam and stuff. So
it feels fast.
like we had a little itty bitty issue getting it to do a burnout, but once it like started going, it was all right.
Yeah, George did the burnout.
No, actually, the owner did the burnout.
What a legend. Gosh, I love the turning radius on these things. It's just the
That's
best.
ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
Let's try this out. Wow, it's actually pretty quick. That's pretty
It
cool.
moves just down
Yeah,
low.
no.
It's a little bit of it's got a little.
It's got power. It's definitely fast. But like, I mean, it's pretty impressive for what it is.
I haven't really driven many stock ones, so I really don't know. I never even really
all
drove.
this stuff. You know, mine doesn't have any of
I think you should give it one more try. One more try right there. You really got to get some wheel speed.
it. It won't do it. Might be low on fuel or needs some fuel.
Yes.
Well, I'm excited to see what you do with it.
She'll be fun.
She'll be a ripper. We've got, you know, a Crown Vic professional on hand if you need any of his help. James knows these puppies in and out.
Can you pop the hood? I want to see what we're working with.
See, it says right there.
Yeah.
Says it right there, Cooper. A little bit shy of 300 wheel. He's got a different alternator. He said that was kind of beefed up. Cold air. Got the Cobra, 03 Cobra injectors.
Some fancy doohickeys under here, Jared.
Straight up Crown Vic.
Battery location, cold air.
So, I mean, you know what is...
Oh, I didn't even... Look at that intake.
All right, so that's been ported. That's been ported. It says dyno tested right there. So we get the 03 Cobra injectors.
Wow.
It's got some shorty or some mid-length headers.
Got an aluminum intake manifold.
Oh yeah, Granatelli mass airflow.
See the intake manifold?
I did. I know those are normally plastic and they crack, right?
Yeah, they tend to explode.
Explode.
That's what I heard.
Huh.
Wow, look at this.
Demo
Tag
car?
driver.
No, not a demo car. So I don't know what I'm looking at other than the basic stuff. Like
Well, you know it's dyno tested, so it's good.
Yeah.
You said it's forged
You gotta throw it on the dyno and see how much power it makes.
with heads. And
I need to see if it'll go in third gear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Single
It's got
tap.
aftermarket, like American Eagle heads or something. Did you say they were
Patriot Performance.
Patriot Performance? Let's see.
American Bald Eagle.
Balls,
Well,
balls,
American Eagles denim heads.
American-
Oh, battery relocate.
Yeah,
It does have a battery in the back.
Hey, this thing's sick.
It's got a different little reservoir there. I'm trying to think of anything else that he had said.
Oh, bro, let me get those headers.
Actually, those won't work for you.
No, they won't.
Okay.
Well, Jeremy, since you can't hold your camera,
Go
we're
see
really
it.
excited to see what it turns into. Jeremy's like, "Hey, James, what do you think of this Crown Vic?"
It's really good, guys. It's great.
Oh, your head's up
hey.
here.
You're all jerks. Okay,
We
I'm
just
sorry.
love you. We just want to make
I'm
your
sorry.
videos
Coming
a
from
little
this-
bit better.
The wind's coming from
Turn it
this
to be on.
direction,
I'll
babe.
block. There you go.
All right.
So great to see your new car today.
Thanks. This is an aggressive wind blocking right here.
the
yeah,
real
there's
question
that.
is, can it do a burnout?
It did. It's fun.
Both?
Dude, it's
Ish.
fast. It's way faster than a stock Crown Vic. Yeah. I was pretty impressed. You know, and I know Crown Vic's in and out. I was born in one, after all. So,
And conceived, you said.
yep, conceived and born in one. Conceived and birthed.
Does it have an aftermarket tack in it? Why does it got a tack?
It does. Yeah, that was pretty sweet.
It's just a beast.
Oh, man.
I love the shifter, man. That is really cool.
Traction control's right here.
Is it really?
Yeah.
All right, we found the traction control button. We're returning. You know, police interceptors don't have traction control buttons, and I was born in a police interceptor edition. Big 71, so you know. That didn't help. Honestly, I don't think I've ever driven a non-police.
All right, now let's see what this puppy's got here.
Neighbors are outside, but they'll be fine. Feels a little perk here. Won't lie.
Did you put the hot tube in it?
Oh, it's got the hot tip. Yoink! Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's got some sway. Oh, dude, look at that angle.
I just went to I went to hit the throttle and there was no throttle. It's like it lost ignition for a second. I was like, Yeah.
The battery is like barely on there. James kind of banged it on there with the breather filter.
Get tossed.
It definitely needs to be fastened. There's no
It's
question
just
about
pretty
it.
hard. You sure it doesn't have a belt training in it?
He says it does have a shift kit in it, but
Oh, so a trainee unbuilder
unbuilder
blows them up. Shift kits in these puppies.
on these.
Big partner trainer.
She's spinning. A little bit, little tiny.
Just trying to bounce to get it freed up.
There's a lot of weight in here.
Oh, hard. Wow. How do you feel about
She rides,
I
boy.
think you were born
She
in a ground.
rides.
I believe you now.
Yeah. I wasn't lying. Hey, how you doing? The shift kit's pretty intense.
Will it go to third though? Because like
I don't know,
I haven't even driven it. You've driven it now more than I haven't even driven it.
I haven't tried it. We haven't gone
The
fast
tires
enough.
on trying to put a burnout.
I mean, I'll just go until they start melting. They'll get hot.
You said it's got new tires on it too. So.
Oh, great. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's like it's all top end.
Alright, there you go. Now we're going there.
I had to do what I had to do. I had to go in from a spin.
See that?
Yeah. That was a big.
That's what it took.
Just sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
I think it's a really good kind of shop break-in. You know, instead of like doing the champagne bottle, you have to do some sort of donut around the cul-de-sac, something like that. These guys are like, oh, they're up to their shenanigans again.
I know. Should probably put her away. Neighbors are getting pissed. Let me just put it in.
With all four of us having to.
Nope, you're all gonna have to climb out too.
This will be fun.
These windows don't come down.
Yeah, go over here to the side more. Look over on you. It is.
All right, boys. We'll see you later.
This will be fun.
Mine does.
Dave's window doesn't go down.
I'm coming out through the roof!
There's a hole in the roof.
Did you fix the hole?
No, the hole's been fixed.
Oh.
Dang, I got a lot more room in the front window here.
Yeah, these back windows are made for people wide in the hips, I tell you what.
Wide in the hips. Well, guys, that was a whole lot of fun introducing the Crown Vic to the shop. I mean, I gave Cleetus the honorary first ride, first donuts and burnout and all that stuff. I mean, he is the Crown Vic master. There's no doubt about it. The stuff of what they've done with Neighbor is fantastic. So this thing's going in a totally different direction, but man, we're going to have a blast with it. We got a whole lot of things to cover, and that is going to be an interesting journey all the way through. Guys, please do check out our Want to Do a Burnout t-shirt. All that support really does help us be able to do crazy things like with what we're doing with this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. We'll see you very soon.
You're so cute.